Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin with the schematic open and saved. This avoids losing work. Once done, open the Assign Footprints dialog from Tools. That's where you'll map symbols to PCB footprints. You search libraries by keyword or filter by package type, then preview footprints to confirm pad layout. Make sure to keep the symbol name and reference visible so you don't mix similar parts. This direct start gets you into the actionable workflow immediately, rather than stalling on trivial setup. Now you select footprints carefully, search by package or dimension, then preview pad numbering and 3D shape because the Y matters. Wrong pads or orientation breaks assembly. Once you pick a candidate, verify pad pitch, drill sizes, and land pattern against the datasheet. If a variant is needed, pick it in the dialog or type the exact library, name into the footprint field so updates are deterministic. If pins don't match, pause and compare symbol pin order with the footprint's pad numbers before proceeding. Finish by updating the PCB. Run the Update PCB from Schematic tool to import footprints into PCBnew, then place components and align them to board outlines. Once placed, run DRC and open the 3D viewer to confirm mechanical clearance. If something goes wrong, here's one key troubleshooting tip. Mismatched connections usually mean symbol pin numbers don't match footprint pad numbers. Fix this either by editing the symbol pin mapping or choosing a corrected footprint. After that, rerun the update and verify again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.